Hi friends, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler, and today I'm going to show you one of the quickest and easiest ways to copy a sheet in Excel. This is such a handy little trick, especially if you're setting up similar reports, dashboards, or yearly logs, and you don't want to start from scratch every time. Trust me, once you know this, you'll never waste time rebuilding sheets again. Alright, let's dive in. First, decide which sheet you want to copy. I'll use the sheet called 2025 as my example. Go down to the Sheet tabs at the bottom of your Excel window and click once on the sheet you want to copy. So here, I'm clicking on 2025. Now, hold down your Control key on the keyboard. With Control still pressed, click and hold your left mouse button on the sheet name, then drag it to where you want the new copy to appear. While you're dragging, keep an eye out for a little plus symbol next to your cursor. That's Excel telling you, hey, I'm making a copy, not just moving it. Once you've placed it exactly where you want it, simply release the mouse button, and voila. You've got a perfect duplicate of your original sheet. Now here's where it gets even better. You can use the exact same method to copy more than one sheet at the same time. Let's say I want to copy 2011, 2013, and 2014 all in one go. Click once on the first sheet you want to copy. Here that's 2011. Hold down the Control key again, and while holding it, click on the other sheets you want to copy. In this case, 2013 and 2014. You'll see all three sheets are now highlighted. Now move your mouse pointer over the first selected sheet. You'll see the sheet name underline. Still holding Control, click and hold your left mouse button and drag the sheets to the new location. And again, watch for that little plus sign. That's your green light that you're making copies, not moving them. Release the mouse button, and ta-da! You've now got duplicates of all three sheets in exactly the spot you want. And that's it! In just a couple of clicks, you can copy one sheet or multiple sheets without touching the menus or wasting time recreating your layouts. Go ahead, pause this video and try it yourself right now. You'll be amazed how much time it saves, especially if you work on monthly reports or yearly trackers. Thanks for watching. And remember, Excel gets easier the more you practice it. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next tip.